Alright, here is a piece of specialized plexiglass. Well, it's not really, I guess you'd call it plexiglass. That's not even, well, probably an eighth of an inch thick. But as you can see, that little dot right there, I just shot this with my air rifle. It's a spring action, high-powered brake barrel, 1200 feet per second with non-alloy, pellets. And it just made a little dent in it. And I mean, right, I'm working on a project to do a do-it-yourself bulletproof shield. And I'm fixed to set this back up and shoot it again, but this time you're going to be able to see it. And like I said, it's Crosman pellets that I'm using, sharp pointed or pointed pellets. I think they're like 7 grains or something like that. But yeah, hang tight. This is just one of the materials that I'm going to use to make the homemade bulletproof shield. But yeah, that is awesome. I can't believe that. And I shot it from about 15, maybe 18 feet. And I just thought it would go right through it. Hang tight. Alright, check this out. This is regular plexiglass, and it's about the same thickness, as you can kind of tell. And I just shot it with the same pellet rifle, and it went right through that. But I'm gonna set up that little sample piece of that specialized material, plexiglass, I guess you call it, and I'm gonna shoot it again. But this time I'm gonna record it so you can actually see it happen. But yeah, hang tight. Alright, so this is what I'm using. It's my Beeman Kodiak brake barrel. Comes with a 177 caliber barrel and a 22 caliber. 177 is what I'm using today. That tape's on there because I taped a flashlight on there. But yeah, it's like they all say, supposedly putting out 1200 feet per second with a non-lead pellet. But today, what I'm using, and one of my favorite ones, most accurate for me, is the Crosman Premier pointed pellet, 7.4 grains. They work exceptionally well out of that rifle. I don't know if you can focus, if it focuses on that or not. But yeah, and that's what I'm shooting out of that Beeman Kodiak. Awesome rifle. I've had it for a few years, quite a few years, and it's just a good rifle. It's heavy, but it will get the job done for whatever you need to do if you're using an air rifle, except for something like a 30 caliber or 25 caliber non-spring rifle. Anyway, all right. All right, here we go. Alright, so let's go over here and see. Okay, alright. That was right close to that center shot. It cracked it, but it didn't go through. And there's not even a really bulge on the back of it, but it did crack it. That's very interesting. This is dang gum good stuff. Huh. Yeah, no doubt. Awesome. Yeah, so whenever I'm done with this build, bulletproof shield, do-it-yourself. It's going to be tested for real with real guns, but I'm trying to find the products and put them together so it'll actually halfway, at least hopefully, work. But anyway, stay tuned for the adventure. Let's see what happens. Right? Alright, back again. It's all done. Hope you enjoy my channel. If you like it, please subscribe, hit the like button on my videos, and hit that bell. Smash that bell, because that'll let you know, it'll notify you every time I make a video. Until then, until next adventure, peace out, have fun, stay safe.